Drinking plenty of water to stay hydrated during the day is an indispensable practice for the body to perform all its functions basis and to achieve optimal health. This custom has so many benefits it is hard to take for some people, but anyone who practices it has witnessed incredible results possible in what this entails. Drinking water in the morning comes with other health benefits apart from finance-based body functions like activate the digestive system, promote peristalsis and prepare for the day that is beginning. But if you want to increase the positive effects of this practice, add lemon and get many of the benefits we will discuss below. After reading Water Therapy, many people ask me if you can add lemon to this therapy, if it recommended and what the effects are. I hope this post clarify all these doubts and encourage our readers to begin or continue with this simple practice, but effective. Over 30 benefits of drinking water with lemon. Like all foods, your benefits will depend on their nutritional profile, that is, depending on the nutrients that contains this food. Lemon is high in vitamin C. Vitamin C alone has thousands of functions in the body and consequently thousands of benefits, and a deficiency of this nutrient would cause problems in all functions where it is needed. Lemon also contains pectin, a type of fiber highly beneficial to health, and other compounds such as polyphenols. Among the benefits attributed to drinking water with lemon are the following. It stimulates and significantly improves the process of detoxification of the body. It promotes good liver function, antiviral and antimicrobial properties, thanks to its vitamin C. Protects against prenatal problems. Protects against cardiovascular disease. Combat candidiasis. Improves vision. Promotes skin hydrated and reduces wrinkles. Strengthens the immune system, improves digestion, it helps the assimilation of food, prevents fatty liver condition, promotes weight loss, it reduces body fat levels, reduces cravings, relieves stomach aches and indigestion. Alkalized water, reduces the acidity level, blocks the damage caused by radicals. Lemon peel helps reduce cholesterol. Helps with fat metabolism. It helps stabilize insulin resistance, combat obesity, combat atherosclerosis. Citrus fruits, such as lemon, help you feel fuller longer. The smell of lemon, as in aromatherapy, can be effective in reducing nausea and vomiting in pregnant women. It increases energy levels, reduces inflammation, freshens breath. Improves brain function. It helps eliminate the need to caffeine, reduces phlegm, fights constipation. Some suggestions. To prepare lemon water, you should just squeeze half a lemon into a glass of water. If you use a lot of water, then add more lemon. You can adjust the amount of lime to form your taste. Set a goal to last 2 weeks drinking water with lemon to appreciate the results. Uses water at room temperature, not cold. Use warm water if you want a more relaxing effect. To stimulate the detox and weight loss, drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. No sweetened with refined sugar or other processed sweeteners. To sweeten, can use raw honey, stevia herb, or a natural sweetener. For variety, add herbs like basil and mint. You can also add cucumber and or a touch of ginger if you want something different. Lemon with cold water is a detoxifying body. Detoxifying effects. Be prepared. How many people 4 glasses of water drunk waking? How about 3, or 2, or at least a glass of water? The truth is that most are not and are so used to what is normal. Only when we change we realize that there is a big difference. Today most people are dehydrated. The habit of drinking water is lost in thought with synthetic juices in cartons or plastic and/or sodas can replace the body's water requirements. But it is not so, and we started to notice over time in the form of various diseases, the most common, constipation, stones, skin problems, etc. The water is so effective in promoting the elimination of toxins from the body that many people come into an extreme state of detoxification. With just a few days drinking water fasting, with or without lemon, they begin to experience all kinds of side effects: headaches, dizziness, nausea, fatigue, skin rashes, migraine headaches, fatigue, irritability, mood swings, among others. Instantly they blame the water and say that's not for me. In reality, what is happening is that the body's systems are activated. They begin to function more efficiently as they are supposed to work every day. The lack of liquid does not allow the proper disposal of toxins and accumulate them. When we started with water therapy or to drink water with lemon fasting, we began to stimulate the removal of all those accumulated toxins. Toxins are hidden everywhere in our body, especially fat cells. By stimulating our system, the cleaning process begins, which releases toxins into the bloodstream for disposal, which in turn causes most of the symptoms above. Just as you're eliminating toxins, they are disappearing symptoms, and after a few days you will feel many times better than before starting. Fighting detox symptoms. The ideal is to let the body do its job, remove toxins and let detox symptoms happen naturally. No drugs, no interruptions. But for some people this is not an option for various reasons. The following are some suggestions to relieve symptoms of detoxification without medication if you believe that you cannot stand naturally. 1. Eat something. Digestion requires a lot of energy. In fact, it is one of the functions of the body consumes more energy. Eat something light like a fruit, a vegetable, a simple salad, some kind of nut or seed, and this will slow detox. The body diverts energy in cleaning process used to process food. That is a priority. This will calm the symptoms and give you time to adjust. 2. Drink less water. Drinking less water will reduce the cleaning process. Ideally, start with a glass, for example, and go increased up to the amount that works best for you. For example, if water therapy recommends drinking 4 glasses of water in the morning, you can start with a glass, the couple of days increase to 2, week 3, and so on. 3. Physical activity. Often the symptoms are more psychological than physical. In this case, the exercises are helpful. If you feel depressed, unwilling to do anything, and simply down, then go for a walk in the sun, on the grass with bare feet provides the best results. Running, sports and stronger exercises promote the production of hormones that make us feel good and help with elimination through the skin, pores, sweating, and breathing. Note: most people will not have symptoms of severe detoxification. Better instantly feel and see the benefits of drinking water with lemon in just a few days. Those who have an unhealthy diet, consisting mainly of junk food, simple carbohydrates, processed foods, high alcohol intake and a high level of exposure to high environmental toxins will be most affected. Conclusion: if you have any questions, take a chance before reaching a conclusion on the issue and try to follow this practice for a few weeks. At the end is pretty simple. It does not require much effort or time and you have nothing to lose. Consume more water during the day, eliminating sodas and synthetic juices. Drink warm water with lemon in the morning and enjoy better health in a 100% natural,